Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A50, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to start off, you can just pull down the notification panel right from the top, like so. Once more to extend it. And as you can see, you have a power saving mode, or power mode as it's called. You can just tap on it, and you have a couple other options. Medium power saving mode. You can just apply it and it tells you what it will do. Limit CPU speed, turns off all always on display, restrict background data. Also you have a little brightness indicator, so you can change the brightness by 10, 5 or not at all. And once you tap on it, we'll change the brightness, a couple other things as you can see, and gives you a little nice animation. And now it's on. Now you can also hold it and it will take you to the settings where you can choose a different options like maximum power saving or optimized. So if you choose maximum, it will, as you can see, limit the maximum speed of CPU to 70%. The 10% won't change really. It's not like 10 more, it's just 10. And again, all the previous things that the other power saving mode has done, just limit the CPU speed a little bit more. So selected. As you can see, gives you again a little animation and also changes the background to black to preserve battery, and removes a lot of the apps that you would normally have on the screen, just the essentials for a maximum power saving. And if you want to leave it, you can just tap on that icon once more, and now it will go back to the normal Android appearance as it was previously with the wallpaper. And as you can see, now it's back to normal. So you can just tap on it and or hold it and choose whichever one you need. And once more, if you tap on it, normally it will just enable the normal power saving mode, and if you go through the settings and opt for the more intense one, it will actually turn off a lot of other things. So that is basically how you enable the power saving mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.